Hello and welcome to the Visionless Designs YouTube channel. So in this video, I figured we'd go over some coasters I've made recently, which are available on Etsy. So we get that out of the way. On this side, I've got the plain coasters, the softwood. So I've got 10, 9, 8 and 7 centimeters there, which I've got my work mug here, so it just about fits on the 7 centimeter. Obviously getting better as you go up it. Whee! Plenty of space there. The 10 will just about do the average mug in a house. I've also got these ones here which have a green rim around them. It's a green stain. I've only got a limited amount of these. Don't really want to be doing these again, but we'll see how it goes. We've got 10, 8 and 9 centimeter ones here again. All these have been sanded smooth and finished off with exterior Danish oil, so they're good for both indoors and outdoor use. A thing to note on the sizes I've got here, when I say 10, 9 and 8, that is the minimum size that you'll get. So they could be 8.5 centimeters by 8 or 8.5 by 8.5, that'll class as an 8. I do it by the minimum, the smallest size that is on the on these. So if you're getting over one, for example, again, an 8 by 9, I'll class that as an 8. So hopefully you like these. My daughter certainly loves them. Daughters, it's kind of getting hard to sell things when they keep pinching them. So please check out the visionlessdesigns.com website where you'll find all my products, as well as the Etsy store, Facebook page and Instagram, all linked below, and I hope to see you in future videos.